guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix the error occurred issue that is showing when we try to log into our other accounts on YouTube. Okay, first let me show you the issue. So I'm going to log into my YouTube account. Here, click on the YouTube app. Then at the top right, you will see your profile picture. Then click on the arrow, the right arrow that you see. So as you can see here, I'm only logged into my main account, which is simply AlRitch tutorials, and the brand accounts that are connected to it. But the other accounts here are showing as an error occurred. Tap to retry. So I'm going to tap it, but still showing the problem. I have restarted my phone, but it's still the issue is still there. So to fix it, first you need to go to your settings, click on the settings, and then find the storage. Okay, I'm going to scroll down and find the storage. So here there is battery and device care. Click on that one, battery, and then go to your storage available. Then go to your apps. So it's still calculating. You can click on the apps, and then find the YouTube app. Okay, scroll down. Where is it? YouTube app. This is arranged alphabetically. Sorry for that background noise. Storage app, where is it? No, it's not arranged alphabetically, I think. Sorry, it's taking me a bit time. Okay, here is it. It's the first one. Okay, click on that one, the YouTube, and then let's go to the storage. You can actually force stop. We'll try to check the storage if we can clear. Okay, click on the app. Click on the data. Okay, yeah, data here, and you see here clear data. Click on that one. So it depends on the what device are you using. So for me, I'm using the Android device. So the clear data is found at the lower part of lower portion. So it's still recomputing size. Let's wait for it. It's taking a bit time. I have 1.34 gig here of data. Okay, it's clear. The data and the cache are now cleared. Okay, we'll try to see that if that one has fixed the problem, clearing the data and clearing the cache. Okay, I'm going to log into my YouTube app again. So as you can see now, guys, it quickly fixed the problem. So that's how easy it is to fix the error occurred issue when you are trying to log into your YouTube app. But if it doesn't fix the problem, you can also try to force stop the YouTube app and then open it again. How to force stop? You go to settings, then go to the battery and device care, storage, or find the storage equivalents on your iPhone device. Then go to your apps, still calculating, and then find the YouTube app. I'm just going to refresh it. YouTube app. Yes, YouTube app. Click on that one. You will see the force stop here at the lower right. Yes, lower right. If the clearing of cache and data won't work. Okay, that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to fix the problem.